is Sudarshan from 2nd BTech Mechanical. So the PPT, the CAE-2 assignment as the subject of universal human values. The subject I chosen about understanding the harmony in the nature. So I had this is Sudarshan and nominal as 244 G5A 0330. Let us see. So as well as my topic as understanding the harmony in the nature. So let us see the introduction to the harmony in the nature. So harmony in nature refers to the balance and intercoordinations of ecosystem. The concept emphasizes the importance of biodiversity and natural cycles. Understanding this harmony can lead to better conservation effects and sustainable practices. You can see the image of species and ecosystem survival in this slide. Let us go to the another slide. The importance of biodiversity. Let us see the importance of biodiversity. So the biodiversity contributes to ecosystem realizes, allowing to it to recover from disturbance. Each species plays a special role in maintaining the balance of its environment. The loss of biodiversity can disrupt food chain and lead to ecosystem collapse. Primary drives. You can see the slide that's shown in the image. Okay, let us go to the ecosystem interconnectedness. Ecosystem are networks of living organisms interacting with each other and their environment. Changes in one part of an ecosystem can have ripple effects throughout the entire system. Recognizing these connections helps us understanding the implications of human activities. All of the organisms in an ecosystem have interconnected relationships. Can we see this interrelationship in the image about this slide? So let us see the role of natural cycles. Natural cycles such as the water cycle and nutrient cycle regulate life process. These cycles demonstrate how matter and energy flow through ecosystems. Disruption of these cycles can lead to imbalance affecting wildlife and plant lives, as shown in figure. The impact of human activity. Human activities such as deforestation and pollution threaten ecological harmony. Urbanization disrupts natural habitats, leading to species extinction and loss of biodiversity. Sustainable practices are crucial for mitigating these impacts and restoring balance, as shown in the slide. Let us go with the examples of natural harmony. Coral reefs exemplify harmony with their reserve marine life and complex relationships. Forest ecosystems demonstrate how plants, animals, and microorganisms exist and support each other. Wetlands act as natural filters, providing habitat while maintaining water quality. Let us go with the indigenous knowledge and practices. Indigenous communities often possess deep understanding of local ecosystem and their harmony. Their traditional practices promote sustainable use of natural resources. Learning from these practices parties can exchange modern conservation strategies. Let us go the role of conservation effects. Conservation aims to protect ende- endangered species and restore ecosystems to their natural state. Protected areas are serve as refuges for biodiversity and help maintain ecological balance. Community involvement in conservation can foster a sense of stewardship and responsibility. Conservation of biodiversity is shown in slide. Let us see the benefits of understanding nature's harmony. Understanding the harmony in nature can lead to healthier ecosystem and improved quality of life. It fosters appreciation for the intrinsic value of all living organisms. This understanding can guide politics and practices towards sustainability and conservation. Understanding harmony in nature. Let us see in the image details. Material order to the animal order to the plant order, knowledge order, and human. They are the cycles which is in. Let us see the future of harmony in nature. Climate change poses significant changes to maintain ecological harmony. Innovative solutions and technologies can help mitigate these challenges and restore balance. A collective effect is needed to ensure the longevity of our planet's ecosystems. No climate changes. Okay, let us see the call to the action. Individuals can contribute to harmony by adopting sustainable lifestyles choice. Supporting conservation initiatives and policies can make a significant impact. Education and awareness are key to fostering a culture of respect for nature. Let us go with the conclusion. So let us end it with conclusion. The harmony in nature is vital for the survival of ecosystems and humanity. Recognizing our role in the harmony is essential for future generations. It is the important thing to we have to identify or why to mention. So by understanding and respecting nature's balance, we can create a sustainable world. This is the one that we have to create a sustainable world. Because of that, we have to respect the nature's balance. Understanding about this nature's balance can lead to sustainable world. Thank you, and thank you for giving this opportunity.